It's Karen, and I'm excited that you joined me today for this restorative yoga video. If you're following my journey, you know that I'm restoring my body from liver disease and cancer by using just yoga. I'm not taking any medications for pain. I use hot baths with a lot of magnesium salts, and I do a lot of yoga stretching. And I've been able to keep my body really strong, and I've been able to really pull myself back from the brink of stiffness and injury just by using yoga. So I just invite you to join me. I don't think there's anything that I ever do in my yoga class that would challenge you beyond what you could do. But I do invite you to just check in with your body and move the way that you can. Just be with your body right at the level that you can do it. One of the things I do, I like to massage. I do a lot of self-massage. I think that's probably one of the best things I do is the self-massage. So I'm going to start massaging my foot while we talk. Now, you may not be able to get your foot up this far, and so you may turn it this way. I was looking to see if I had a roller because one of the things I did is use a roller, but actually I'm going to do a roller video. But I just invite you just to massage your foot. Just get your toe up there where you can get a hold of it. Massage your toe. Take your thumbnail and just poke your thumbnail all around your toes. Take your fingers all the way down all of your toes. Just give yourself a good deep massage there. Actually, I was able to even restore, I used to wear orthotics. I was able to restore my arches back. Sounds like a miracle story, and it is. So just start out with a little foot massage. It's a great way to start your day too. Now, when I first started doing all this, I couldn't put my feet up like this. After the surgery especially, my body was pretty stiff, and I've taken time to get into this shape. But just take your fingers and go poke around on your toes. And just get a good stretch there. And that always feels good. I'm a big toe yoga fan. So just wave your toes around really good. There you go. And then another thing that I do, like if I don't do anything else in the morning, I just sit and massage my feet. And then coming back into your seated position, bringing your shoulder blades back in together. And if you need to, you can put your hands here on your arms, and that'll kind of let you rock back, and you'll feel a little bit more comfortable. Or if you want to, you can bring your arms back to your side with your palms facing up, and just sit in a meditative pose. I invite you to get acquainted with your body by closing your eyes, relaxing your belly, taking deep breaths in. I think one of the first things we can do every morning is to get acquainted with our body. Watching my bed yoga video is good. But even just sitting in the chair beside your bed, sitting on the edge of your bed, anytime your body begins to carry stress or negativity, get back in touch by just getting into a seated pose. And then I like to pretend that my head's like a cork in the top of a wine bottle. And I just move my head around just like I was going to loosen up a wine bottle. And just pull that cork. Maybe a champagne bottle. So just get some movement in there. And then I like to pull the shoulders with it. Just pulling your shoulders from side to side. And if your hips are anchored, your hips are heavy. Your femurs are as heavy as concrete. And they're strong as concrete. Your femur is your bone from your knee to your hips. And as you stretch from side to side, just begin to pull your shoulders. And let's roll them back. Just waking up your upper body. And then coming back into your seated pose. That's it. That's yoga. Now let's take a couple of minutes and just get really still, and I'm going to read you a card. The card that I drew today, I was pretty excited because it says, I close my eyes and think positive thoughts and breathe goodness in and out. I do that. I close my eyes and I think positive thoughts and I breathe goodness in and out. So let's close our eyes. Any negative thought that comes, just let it move past, just like a cloud in the sky. Let it just go right past your mind. And breathe in goodness And exhale. Just breathe in more goodness. Goodness is always there for us. I close my eyes, think positive thoughts, and breathe goodness in and out. I meditate on a regular basis and reap benefits from this practice. I meditate on a regular basis and reap benefits from this practice. I'm going to start putting more on my blog, on the website, about meditation. Now, I was sitting cross-legged. You may want to sit like this. You may want to sit, on a pillow or even in a chair. We've just got alternatives. You may want to sit on a bouncy ball. Just sit however your body's comfortable. That's the main thing, is just be comfortable, be in your body. Just be comfortable, be in your body, meditate, breathe in goodness.